Hello everyone, welcome back to Maker Monday.
Today we're going to show you our new video editing system, Filmora.
Hello, and welcome to the Jefferson County Public Library presentation on Filmora. To add video to the project, click on the Click Here area. This will open a pop-up menu that will show you your Windows File Explorer. It's currently blurred out for the sake of privacy. While it's blurred out in this example, it won't be blurred out for you. All you have to do is left-click on the files you want to add, click Open, and it'll automatically be added to Filmora for you. From here, you take the file you want by left-clicking on it, drag it into the field below, and choose to keep the current video settings that your files will shoot in, or alter it, whichever you prefer. Then from there, you can just keep dragging and dropping files in. You can hold the left mouse button, drag it left or right to move it around on the timeline if you like. Or you can go to the end of it, where you'll see that little arrow bar, and you can shorten or lengthen the clip as you like. From here, you can add material to the very bottom of your clip. The material with the sound icon will be voiceover only, so you'll be able to have the original video clip with a voiceover added to it. This can be useful to add audio after a shoot. Like video clips, you can also move audio clips around on the timeline by holding the left mouse button on the piece of audio you want to move and dragging it around. Now let's add a title to this production. You can add a title by clicking on title, choosing what you want, drag it down to the menu, and from here you'll just have to type your text in the right, and you'll be able to see it change as it's being done. And once you're happy with it, all you gotta do is click OK. And now when you play your video, you'll have that title entrance at the start of your film. Now we'll add a transition to our film. To do that, we'll click on the Transition tab. Place the orange cursor where you want to create a split in your clip, and click on the scissor icon to create a split, if you don't have one already. Now we're going to go to Warp Zoom 3. We're going to drag it down to where our split is, and then we're going to play it. And you can see Warp Zoom 3 in action from here. And that's how you add a transition to your clip. Now we're going to choose an effect to add. We're just going to choose to make a portion of our clip black and white. So we're going to drag it down to the clip we want to turn to black and white, and you can see how the clip is now in black and white in the preview pane. If you want to make your entire movie black and white at the start, all you have to do is just go to Transition, choose the black and white effect, and drag it over the entirety of your movie. And if it's just one big clip, it'll apply to all of it. Now we're going to add an element to our film. We'll click on the Element tab, and we'll go ahead and choose Energy. We'll drag it above our clip so it'll play on as an overlay, and you can see some lightning on our original clip. And now we're going to mouse over to the clip and double click on it, and this will bring up the transformation page on it. So from here you can zoom in by adjusting the scale, you can rotate your clip, you can revert your changes by clicking on the Undo button. In addition to this, you can adjust your audio inside of the clip you have highlighted by increasing the fade in, and you'll be able to see it in the audio display under your clip, and you can drag that around to adjust it a bit more in detail. You can also go to color and mess around with the saturation. This will let you make changes on how the color looks on your film. If you don't want to use a preset, this is how you'll be able to do it. And this will only affect any clips you have highlighted. Once you're okay with it, you'll just hit OK. When it's time to export, click on the Export tab and click on Export to Device. From here, you can rename your video, choose where to save it in the blurred out field below the name, and once you click on Export, it'll start exporting to that location. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jcpl.org/creative space.